Let's see what's playing out with Bitcoin now and most of the cryptocurrencies that we track. We did see that, rebound starting, but the color, at this point in the market is still trying to find a direction there. That's talking about what's playing out in the crypto market. It was red yesterday. Somehow it found a rebound, but still trying to find out what's playing out in the market. Then we're still seeing some headlines there. A mysterious transfer activity there, $262,000 worth of Bitcoin. That was transferred to a U.S. exchange, and definitely investors were wondering what's going to happen, with that transfer. Is it going to be sold? And definitely that would impact the market. But let's play out now with other matters in the market. We're seeing Google also looking to enforce domestic access restrictions on 17 cryptocurrency exchanges not registered in South Korea, following a request from the South Korean government. And we see users in the country have not been able to install or update apps related to those cryptocurrency exchanges, the likes of KuCoin, Mexi, Femex, and Poloniex. So much happening there. Let's bring in Olumide Additional now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide. How are you doing?
Hello, Ladi. Good afternoon. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, always great to have you, Olumide. So we're still seeing the market there. Bitcoin did start that big move from about $83,000. Did get to about $88,000. How are you seeing, what's playing out so far? It's still about tariffs, though.
Yeah, I think the fundamentals of Bitcoin is pretty much solid. Going on the backdrop that the asset class has been able to recover above the 85, and it's struggling to keep up on the 88K resistance line. But the intricacy around Trump tariffs is really affecting the appetite for risk and probably responsible for putting Bitcoin below 80K. But however, we've seen high buying pressure in the asset over time, probably because of the entry of BlackRock and the expansion of BlackRock Bitcoin exchange traded products in Europe. That also might increase inflows into the systemic crypto assets. I expect that the Trump tariffs will settle at some point, but it's still early to call whether Bitcoin might reclaim the 100,000 support. Interestingly, we're seeing altcoins also showing some strength. Dogecoin today broke the 20 cents resistance, and it's 30% up this month. From, if you remember that a few weeks ago, it was looking like it was going to break below the 14 cents. Now it's around 21 cents. So I think it's telling you that there's return of risk, but caution is still at the air. Institutional adoption, quite interesting. We had news about Fidelity, 800 billion assets management firm, talking filing for Solana. And we also saw XRP settling with the Security Exchange Commission in the past few days. So that has increased the momentum in the crypto market. But, President Trump has been a person of inconsistency according to the market. And that's why copper tariffs, the April 2nd tariffs implementation might put a cap on the crypto market, Ladi.
Right. And, talking about the tariffs and the announcements of tariffs and the way it impacts most of the markets that we track right now, do you think it will come to a point where the tariff announcement won't really have that impact, on the market? They'll just, shrug it off?
I don't think so, because the reason why a lot of risk players are concerned about U.S. tariffs is that the U.S. is the most powerful economy and has influence in trade. And when tariffs are put in place, it has inflationary pressure on consumer goods, which makes it less likely for the U.S. Fed to reduce interest rates, which is bad for. And also the fact that it also increases the odds for a recession. A recession in the U.S. will definitely aggravate outflows from assets like the crypto to safe-haven assets like U.S. Treasury. So while I understand that the players are getting tired about U.S. trade tariffs, the systemic role the U.S. play in global markets cannot be undermined.
Right. I guess tariff fatigue might set in, at some point. But thank you so much, Lumide Additional.
Thank you for having me.
All right, let's get a quick check on what the market is saying there. We're seeing Bitcoin 1.33% up, 88,000, holding up with about $246. Ethereum still holding the $2,000 psychological level. But on the flip side, Binance Coin, that's the native currency for the Binance Exchange, down 1.24%. And XRP, someone talk about XRP right there on social media, $2.46, up 1.18%. So that's how the market, that's the crypto market is looking at. Most of the markets that we track today. We'll give you an update again tomorrow on what's playing out with these markets. But thank you for watching. I'm Ladi Williams from the team right here at Channels HQ. It's bye for now.